In last lecture we had studied till question number 4 of exercise 5.5. Now from here we will start with question number 6. Okay, આગળના બધા ક્વેશ્ચનમાં સેમ પેટર્નના જ ક્વેશ્ચન, આગળના બધા ક્વેશ્ચન સેમ પેટર્નના જ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે. You have given two terms, okay, in addition, so you have to assume first term as u, second term as v, okay, and see both the terms are in the form of variable raised to variable, means x raised to x. Obviously it is the function of x, that is x plus 1 upon x raised to x, barabar, but it is a variable and power is also variable. Same in the second term is also x raised to 1 plus 1 upon x, means variable raised to variable, okay, x raised to function of x. તો જ્યારે વેરિયેબલ રેઝ ટુ વેરિયેબલ આવે, બરાબર, ત્યારે આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ તો કે એને આપણે પહેલાં બે ટર્મ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ એઝ્યુમ કરીએ છીએ જ્યારે એડિશનમાં હોય ત્યારે, અને પછી બંને સાઈડ લોગ અપ્લાય કરીએ છીએ. ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન, ફર્સ્ટ this is y, that is your question. Now we will assume first term as u and second term as v. Okay, so you get y is equals to u plus v. First term is u, second term is v. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So you get dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. That is your question, equation number 1. Okay, so now from here we want two terms, that is du by dx and dv by dx, to get the answer. So first start with u. Your u is x plus 1 upon x raised to x, x plus 1 upon x raised to x. Applying log on both the sides, so that's log u is equals to log x plus 1 upon x raised to x. જે પાવર હોય લોગની આગળ આવે, that is the property of log. So you get x into log of x plus 1 upon x. Now here on the right hand side you have two terms into multiplication. One is x and second one is log of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, so now we will do differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So differentiation of log u is 1 upon u. By chain rule, differentiation of u is du by dx. Okay, because we differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So differentiation of u is 1 upon u, and by chain rule differentiation of u is du by dx. On right hand side you have to use product rule. Differentiation of first term, that is x, second term will remain as it is, that is log x plus 1 upon x, and first term as it is, that is x, and differentiation of second term, that is differentiation of log of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, so differentiation of x is 1, second term as it is, here first term, that is x as it is, and differentiation of log of x plus 1 upon x is, differentiation of log is 1 upon x. So differentiation of log of x plus 1 upon x is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x, and by chain rule you have to differentiate this x plus 1 upon x, because instead of x there is x plus 1 upon x, so we have to use chain rule. Okay, so differentiation of x plus 1 upon x. Now u અહીંયા લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાંથી રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ જાય, so it goes from denominator to numerator on right hand side. So that is u. Okay, 1 into this is log x plus 1 upon x, remains as it is, plus x upon x plus 1 upon x, multiplication of these two terms, x upon x plus 1 upon x, into multiplication of differentiation of x, that is 1, and differentiation of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay, so du by dx, put the value of u, that is x plus 1 upon x raised to x here, multiply by log x plus 1 upon x. Okay, and here simplify, આ ટર્મને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરશો, so you get x minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x. Okay, અહીંયા LCM લેશો, x square minus 1 upon x square, 1 x cancel x, हाँ અહીંયા LCM લઈ અને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરશો ને, so you get numerator like this, x minus 1 upon x, and that denominator remains as it is, x plus 1 upon x. So just simplify these two terms and you get this answer, x minus 1 upon x. Next, okay, so હજી એને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કર્યું છે. x minus 1 upon x નો LCM લેશો તો there is x square minus 1, and here x plus 1 x પ્લસ 1/x એનો એલસીએમ લેશો તો x² પ્લસ 1/x બેના ડિનોમિનેટરમાં સોરી બેના ડિનોમિનેટરમાં જે x હશે એ કેન્સલ થઈ જશે. ઓકે, સો દેટ્સ યોર ફાઇનલ આન્સર ઓફ du by dx. Now second term v is equals to x raised to 1 plus 1/x. Start with that. V is equals to x raised to 1/1 plus x. Again here there are two terms, sorry, again here there is a variable raised to variable x raised to 1 plus 1/x. So taking log on both the sides, you get log v is equals to log of this term, that is x raised to 1 plus 1/x. Okay, હવે x raised to જે હોય x ના પાવરમાં જે હોય એ લોગની આગળ આવી જાય. So you get log v is equals to 1 plus 1/x into log x. Again on the right hand side you have again two terms in multiplication, that is 1 plus 1/x into log x. Okay, now differentiate this equation with respect to x. So you get differentiation of log v is 1/v. By chain rule, differentiation of v is du by dx is equals to, here differentiation of first term, second term remain as it is, then first term remain as it is, differentiation of second term. Okay, so 1/v du by dx is equals to differentiation of 1 plus 1/x, differentiation of 1 is 0. Okay, differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of 1/x is minus 1/x square. Log x remains as it is, plus 1 plus 1/x remain as it is, and differentiation of log x is 1/x. Clear? So 1/v du by dx is equals to minus log x upon x square, that is the multiplication of these two terms, minus log x upon x square, plus 1/x ના બ્રેકેટમાં મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું, so 1 into 1/x is 1/x, plus 1/x into 1/x is 1/x square. Okay, so du by dx is equals to v, સામે જાય મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં, મલ્ટીપ્લાય વિથ અહીંયા એલસીએમ આપણે લઈએ x square, so log x plus 1, you take LCM x square. So du by dx is equals to, put the value of v, that is x raised to 1 plus 1/x, this bracket remain as it is, x plus 1 minus log x upon x square. Now put the values of du by dx from equation 2 and du by dx from equation 3, du by dx from equation 2 and du by dx from equation 3 into the equation 1. So you get your final answer, that is du by dx is equals to this. Clear? So that is the question number 6. Question number 7, again same pattern, variable raised to variable, log x raised to x, here also variable raised to variable, x raised to log x. Okay, so in this type of question what we will do, take first term as u and take second term as v. So u is equals to log x raised to x, v is equals to x raised to log x. Okay, so you get the equation y is equals to u plus v. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, so you get du by dx is equals to du by dx plus du by dx. Now we have to find du by dx and du by dx to get the answer. So your u is log x raised to x, u is log x raised to x, function of x raised to x means variable raised to variable. હવે લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ પણ લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ એક ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કીધું હતું ને, એ પાછું કહું છું, અહીંયા log x હોલ રેસ ટુ x છે, તો હોલ રેસ ટુ x હોય તો એ x આગળ ન આવે, એ x આગળ ક્યારે આવે, જે log સાથે જે વેલ્યુ છે, log સાથે જે આ વેલ્યુનો પાવર હોય તો એ પાવર આગળ આવે, બરાબર. log x raised to n means that power is of x, બરાબર, તો એ n આગળ આવે કે n into log x. But if it is like log x whole raised to n, then n આગળ આવે નહીં, બરાબર. સો એમાં ખાસ કન્ફ્યુઝ ન થતા, ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો. સો હિયર વોટ વી વિલ ડુ, વી અગેન અપ્લાય ધી લોગ, ભલે આ એક log x raised to x છે તો એક log અપ્લાય કરશું. સો log u is equals to log of log x raised to x. હવે આ જે પાવર છે એ આ લોગની અંદર આવેલી આ વેલ્યુનો પાવર થયો, તો આ પાવર આ લોગની આગળ આવી શકે. ઓકે, સો log u is equals to x into log of log x. So again right hand side you have two terms, one is x, second one is log of log x. Okay, so what we will do, differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So you get on left hand side is differentiation of log u is 1 upon u. With the help of chain rule, differentiation of u is du by dx. Right hand side use product rule, differentiation of first term, second term as it is, first term as it is, differentiation of second term. So differentiation of x is 1, second term remain as it is, here plus x means first term remain as it is, and differentiation of log x. So first you have to differentiate this log, so that is 1 upon x means 1 upon the value of that log means 1 upon log x. Now with the help of chain rule you have to again differentiate this bracket, so differentiation of log x. એક્ઝામમાં ડાયરેક્ટ આ સ્ટેપ લખશો તો ચાલશે, આ સ્ટેપ લખવાની જરૂર નથી, બરાબર. સો નાવ put the value of u, that is log x raised to x, log of log x as it is, 1 upon log x as it is, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Here we use chain rule for this function because here log of log x, function of function. Okay, so du by dx is equals to log x raised to x, log of log x, here x cancel, so that is 1 upon log x. Okay, so du by dx is equals to log x raised to x. અહીં LCM લેશો તો log x આની સાથે મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન થશે, so log of log x into log x plus 1 upon log x. So log x raised to x upon log x, log x raised to x upon log x. Base is same. Okay, તો પાવરનો શું થાય? ડિવિઝનમાં હોય તો સબટ્રેક્શન. So log x raised to x minus 1. So that is the value of your du by dx. Next, take second term, that is v, and your v is x raised to log x. So v is equals to x raised to log x. Okay, so again we take log on both the sides, so log v is equals to log of x raised to log x. હવે આ લોગની અંદરની વેલ્યુ થઈ x અને એનો પાવર થયો log x. ઓકે, તો એ log x છે એ ક્યાં આવે? તો કે આની આગળ. So you get log v is equals to log x into log x, that is log x whole square. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, so 1 upon v into dv by dx is equals to differentiation of log x whole square, differentiation of log x whole square. So 1 upon v dv by dx, that is equal to શું થશે? પાવર આગળ, પાવરમાંથી એક માઇનસ, so 2 log x, 2 minus 1 is 1, and by chain rule you have to again differentiate log x, so d by dx of log x. અહીં આપણે ડિફરન્શિએશન કોનું કર્યું? તો કે પાવરનું કર્યું, બરાબર. સૌથી પહેલાં જો આખા ફંક્શનનો પાવર હોય તો પહેલાં પાવરનું ડિફરન્શિએશન થાય અને પછી ચેઇન રૂલથી અંદરના ફંક્શનનું ડિફરન્શિએશન, મીન્સ ડિફરન્શિએશન ઓફ log x. v ઇક્વેશનની સામે જાય, so it goes into the multiplication, so 2v log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Put the value of v, that is x raised to log x upon x. Here power is same, base is same, x, power no subtraction, so log x, power kind હોય તો 1, so 2x raised to log x minus 1 into log x. So that is your equation number 3. So put the value of equation 2 and equation 3 into the equation 1, means value of du by dx and du by dx into the equation number 1. So you get your final answer, that is dy by dx is equals to this. Clear? Next, question number 10. Again there are two terms. In one term, variable raised to variable, x raised to x cos x. Second term is simple, here we can use division rule. Okay, but for this differentiation again we need to assume u, બરાબર. તો આપણે શું કરશું? બે ટર્મને પહેલાં u અને v એઝ્યુમ કરી લઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ એઝ u and second term as v. So you get y is equals to u plus v, differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, so you get this equation as per the last 3 or 4 question we had done already. Okay, so u is equals to, first u is equals to x raised to x cos x, variable raised to variable, બરાબર. તો વેરિયેબલ રેસ્ટ ટુ વેરિયેબલ હોય ત્યારે આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ? we have apply log on both the sides, so log u is equals to log of this, means x raised to x cos x. Okay, now power of this x is x into cos x, તો એ ક્યાં આવશે? તો કે લોગની આગળ, બરાબર. આ પાવર આવશે લોગની આગળ. So you get log u is equals to x cos x into log x. So here in right hand side, here on right hand side you have three terms, x cos x into log x. Okay, so what we will do, we use product rule. બરાબર, બે રીતે થાય, log પાછો અપ્લાય કરો, એડિશન કરો, ડિફરન્શિએશન કરો, but here three simple terms are there, so we can use directly product rule. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, so you get 1 upon u du by dx, differentiation of left hand side. In right hand side, what is the product rule for three terms? So okay, first term no differentiation, second and third term remain as it is, means differentiation of x, second third term cos x into log x as it is, then first and third term remain as it is, means x into log x as it is, differentiation of second term, that is dA by dx of cos x, and in last first and second term remain as it is, differentiation of third term, that is differentiation of log x. Okay, so જ્યારે three simple terms હોય, you can directly use product rule, no need to apply logarithmic function. So du by dx is equals to u, u સામે જાય multiplication માં, x નું differentiation 1, these two terms as it is, then x and log x as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, then x into cos x as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, so x cancel, so you get du by dx is equals to x raised to x cos x, which I just put the value of u, that is x raised to x cos x, then cos x into log x as it is, minus 12 આવી જશે, so minus x sin x log x, and x cancel કર્યા, that is cos x. Okay, now from first and last term you can common out cos x, તમે cos x common લઈ શકો, so cos x common into bracket 1 plus log x minus x sin x log x, so that you get du by dx. Now v, so v is equals to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Okay, from here you can use two methods. One method is by using logarithmic function, and second directly you can use division rule. બરાબર, division rule તો તમને બધાને આવડે જ, એટલે મેં આ log વાળી મેથડ બતાવી છે, બાકી division rule થી ડાયરેક્ટ આનું ડિફરન્શિએશન કરી શકો. ઓકે, તો here I apply log on both the sides, so log v is equals to, અહીંયા બે ટર્મ ડિવિઝનમાં છે, બરાબર, લોગની અંદર બે ટર્મ ડિવિઝનમાં હોય, log of m upon n, તો શું થઈ જાય, તો કે log m minus log n, so you get log of numerator minus log of denominator. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, so you get 1 upon v dv by dx, differentiation of log is 1 upon x square plus 1, and by chain rule you have to differentiate this bracket, means differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x. Okay, and in the, here differentiation of log of x square minus 1, so first differentiation of log is 1 upon x square minus 1, and by chain rule you have to differentiate this bracket, that is x square minus 1, so differentiation of x square minus 1 is 2x. So d by dx is equals to v, સામે ગયો multiplication માં LCM લેશો, so 2x into x square minus 1 minus 2x into x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Okay, so by simplification you will get this answer, that is your d by dx. બરાબર, પાછું કહું છું, you can directly use division rule, no need to apply logarithmic function here. Okay, means you can do this question by two method, either division rule or with the help of logarithmic function. Now put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, so you get your dy by dx. Clear? Okay, આપણે અત્યારે 3 questions કર્યા, question number 6, 7 and 10. બરાબર, total in this exercise till now we had done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 10. Remaining all questions, બાકીના જેટલા પણ question છે એ તમારે ઘરે જાતે કરવાના છે by your own self, that is similar type of this question. આ જ ટાઈપના એ બધા question છે જે મેં વચ્ચે બાકી રાખ્યા છે, એની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો. બરાબર, then we will start with question number 12. ઓકે, એમાં થોડુંક ડિફરન્ટ આવશે, અત્યાર સુધી ખાલી ફંક્શન આપતા હતા આપણને. now from now here we will get the equation in the variable form. બરાબર, એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં કરશું. ત્યાં સુધીમાં પહેલાં તમે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 to 10 બધા પૂરા કરી લ્યો, પછી આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આગળના ક્વેશ્ચન કરશું. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.